Janine here from craftfix.com, showing you how to make a quick yarn tassel. You will need a little yarn, a small piece of card, a tapestry needle and scissors. The card should be slightly longer than you want your tassel. I've used a 2.5 inch piece here for a 2-inch tassel. Wrap the yarn around the card about 15 times. 12 to 15 times works well for worsted yarn, 15 to 20 times for double knit. It depends on how full a tassel you want. Cut the yarn when you're done. Next, take a long length of yarn, thread your needle and bring it through all the yarn at one side of the card, leaving a good tail. Take the needle back over the yarn and under again a couple more times. Pull both yarn ends tight together. Now cut through all the yarn on the opposite side to make a fringe. Pull both yarn ends tight again at the top and knot them. To turn your fringe into a tassel, wrap a length of yarn around it a few times, about 1/2 inch from the top point. Pull it tight and knot the ends. Thread each end with a needle and insert it up into and then down through the tassel to hide it. Finally, trim across the ends so they're all the same length for a neat finish. Congrats, you just made a cute tassel.